welcome back to the channel. Hey, thanks for joining me again. I appreciate you coming back. So we are getting back into this project again. So the Ram project, we're painting these fenders. At this point, as you'll get to see as far as my battery holds out, it looks like my battery might die. So I might get into the middle of this and it dies on you. But we're gonna get a clear coat put back on these bad boys. They're looking pretty good so far. I'm only gonna do a clear, I believe, on just the one at this point, the fender for this or the duration of this video. But yeah, look at, not too shabby. It's kind of long. It's kind of funky in the video with the lighting and such, but looks pretty good, I think. So we're getting there. So yeah, we'll get you up to speed on that and get going. Yarr. Third go at this. I might have to There we go.